How to post a story on Emo app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to post a story on Emo app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Emo app. Once you are here, you're gonna find my story to share your day with friends and family wherever you want. Click on my story. You need to allow Emo to access photos, media, and files on your device. If you want this, just click on allow, and here they can you can select videos or photos from your gallery, or click on text, and here you can write something and post it on your story wherever you want. So this is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful. If this video was helpful to you, don't forget to subscribe and like.